Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Makeup Basics Part Infinity. This is the first episode of Makeup Basics Part Infinity. If you are looking for simple, natural makeup looks, you are the right place. Let's go. Right off, starting with moisturizer. I'm using Wishful Peptide Moisturizer. Use what you have. And then I'm gonna follow it up with Milk Hydro Grip Primer, mainly focusing this at the center of my face and around my nose because I feel like makeup doesn't really stick to my nose area. So this kind of help it to stick. Followed by Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer. They said it's foundation slash concealer, but I like to use it as concealer because I feel like it's big enough to last me a lifetime. So I did mix my concealer and moisturizer here, which I like to call it customized skin tint. Okay, so instead of buying a new skin tint, if you mix little concealer with your moisturizer, you already have your own skin tint. So yeah, so I'm gonna blend it with the brush in stamping motion. So yeah, you get super lightweight and natural looking when you mix your foundation with moisturizer, in this case concealer with moisturizer. So yeah, I'm gonna place a little more and blend it immediately. Blending it with a sponge this time. I'm gonna place a little Too Faced sponge this way here. I'm taking the foundation brush and go over the edges, you know. And then quickly set the under eyes with a powder. I'm using Sephora Micro Smooth powder. So I'm using this only to set the under eyes. I'm using it on my face. Then I'm gonna use Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have this in shade medium deep. I'm gonna use a big fluffy into the powder and then reduce excess here. I'm not going to use contour. In this case, I didn't contour, so I warm up the face with bronzer. Taking back the bronzer and blend it all over the eyelid. Set it with a Bundike all nighter. Okay, let's quickly do the lips. I'm using brown lip liner from NYX. use Sephora lipstick. I'm gonna place a little of this at the center. Okay, this is not bad. This is Fenty Beauty lipstick. It's a bit more warm than the other one. Okay, so this is what it looked like after blotting it. Then I'm gonna use ABH lip gloss. I'll place the gloss just at the center. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and do my little eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna take Fenty Kilowatt, a little, just like this. Not much. Just at this point, you can decide to just put on your mascara or lashes, and you're good to go. But I, for one, love all things shiny, so yeah. Using Sephora Big by Definition. Okay, so with the mascara on, you are kind of good to go, but I want to put on lashes. I haven't used lashes for a while, so yeah, today I want to put on lashes. So yeah, this is what I look like with just the lashes on. Okay, I'm gonna give it a sec to dry, then I'll blend it in. I haven't put on lashes for a while, but here we are. How do I look? Okay, I'm gonna try to do some sort of a winged liner. Okay, I'm gonna use a little liner. This is a Aqua Resist pencil. Makeup Forever Aqua Resist color pencil. Do some sort of a tight line at the outer edge to create some sort of a winged effect to bury the nakedness out there. I personally don't wear lashes on my day-to-day life. So recently, all the video I posted, I was not using lashes. I don't wear the lashes on my day-to-day life. So yeah, but here we are. I'm not vibing with the lashes, but it's not looking bad. I'm not feeling the lashes, but it's not looking half bad. So I'm gonna leave it alone like this and place a blush on my cheek. I'm gonna use the Sephora Colorful Blush. This is in shade Fascinated. This is pretty much it. There's nothing left to do, nothing more left to do. All right, this is pretty much it. I feel like we look good, good, good to go. And so we round up. This is pretty much it. If you enjoyed this type of simple, natural looks, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and I will see you on my next version. Thanks for watching. See you after.